We are going to make a super easy, super fun, super cute American flag using this little mini palette that I got from the Dollar Tree. All you need for this patriotic craft is some inexpensive paint from the Dollar Tree, red, white, and blue, painting the red stripes on the flag, for the white stripes. Look at this cute dog, all patriotic. All to paint the blue portion of the flag. I love patriotic DIY. So for my idea for the stars on this flag, I needed a stencil, couldn't find one, so went to the Dollar Tree, saw this cute box, and I'm gonna cut this star off of this box and make my own stencil. I am making a wooden star stencil, just using my jigsaw to cut the star off of this box. And there you go, we have a wooden star stencil. Just going to trim it a bit more, and this will be perfect. I want to try to get 3 stars on the blue area of the flag, so I'm just going to place this wood stencil on top of the flag where I feel I want it to be, and then take my white paint and make the stars, or paint the stars. 1, now for the second one. Okay, I have painted 3 stars on here, so now I'm going to take my sander and distress it. Just sanding up and down on our little mini palette, distressing it to the point of my liking. Brush the dust. I will be putting a couple of coats of polyurethane to seal it and give it a finished look, and look what we have, a beautiful phone holder if you choose, or you can have it as a shelf leaner. I have it here on my desk as well. Or it can even be a coaster. Or you can even put it in your window. So many possibilities. So get your little mini palette from the Dollar Tree and make something like this. It is so much fun. Put your own twist on it.